Let's say we know about the derivative of a function, and let's say f prime of x is equal to 2 over x cubed, and someone comes up to you and asks what is f of x, what can f of x be? And the immediate answer that you should give your friend or your wife or your husband is that f of x is the integral of 2 over x cubed dx. Remember, integral of 2 over x cubed dx is a function that or a family of function that if you take derivative of, you get 2 over x cubed, and that's the function that you wish to find. And how do you find integral of 2 over x cubed dx? You start by getting constant outside the integral. So you have 2 times integral of 1 over x cubed, rewritten as x to the negative 3 dx. And we know integral of x to the nth, we know integral of x to the something dx is same thing as x to the n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. So let's apply that. It's going to be x to the negative 3 plus 1 divided by the same thing, and you're going to put plus c. So this is going to be 2 times x to the negative second power over negative 2 plus c, also known as 2's cancel out and you got negative sign, and you put this at the bottom. You have negative 1 over x squared plus c. So we know if f prime of x is 2 over x cubed, our f of x is, what was it, negative 1 over x squared plus c. And we call this a general solution. And the reason it is general, it is not one specific or one particular solution. F of x can be negative 1 over x squared plus 5. F of x can be negative 1 over x squared minus 0.01. F of x can be negative 1 over x squared plus 10,000. We do not have a particular solution to pick from. But let's say in addition to f prime of x equals to 2 over x cubed, they also tell you f at 1 is equal to 3, and this is called the initial condition. And the reason f of 1 is equal to 3 is helping us pick a specific solution is when you look at this graph below. This is from desmos.com. Let me give credit. I have bunch of f of x is equal to negative 1 over x squared plus c graphed out. The orange one is negative 1 over x squared plus 2. The magenta one is negative 1 over x squared plus 3. The red one is negative 1 over x squared plus 4. The blue one is negative 1 over x squared plus 5. And the green one is negative 1 over x squared plus 6. And as you can see, and this is the point 1, 3. Only one of the graph, in particular negative 1 over x squared plus 4, is going through the point that they gave you. So in this case, if we know f prime of x is 2 over x cubed, and also we know that f of 1 is 3, our f of x is not a family of functions, but one particular function, which is negative 1 over x squared plus 4. And this is called a particular solution, because we only have one solution we are talking about. Let's say we do not have this graphed out and we don't know which graph is which one. Then how would you figure out the constant is plus 4? How can you figure this out? And that's not hard to do. It's by plugging in f of 1 is 3. In this case, we have f of x is negative 1 over x squared plus c. That's the general solution. And you can plug in x equals to 1, and you expect to get y of 3. So we want 3 to be equal to negative 1 over 1 squared plus c. I'm just plugging 1 into the function, and we want to get 3 out of it. So we have 3 is equal to negative 1 plus c, or c is equal to 4. So you know the particular solution is going to be negative 1 over x squared plus, instead of plus c, plus 4.